Enchanting Savoury Galette A Symphony of Flaky Delights Part 2. Gently transfer one sheet of dough into a cast iron pan. Spread a luscious layer of homemade pesto, then top with your choice of fresh, colorful veggies. I added some zucchini, portobello, and olives. Elegantly fold the outer 2 inches of dough over the filling, letting it overlap every 2 to 3 inches. Pinch the dough lightly to seal, creating a rustic, beautiful border. Place the galette in the fridge for 30 minutes to firm up before baking. Repeat the same process with the remaining dough, this time spreading some hummus and veggies and adding some pesto on top. Golden finish. Brush the top of each galette with a splash of milk to achieve a golden glossy finish. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or until the crust is gloriously golden and flaky. Savor the symphony. Let your savory galette cool slightly before slicing and serving. Each bite is a celebration of flaky pastry and vibrant savory fillings. Enjoy the symphony of flavors and textures. Bon appetit!